Hey guys, what's up? It's Alan and I'm back with another video. Winter's just gone like that overnight. Bombay's gotten super hot. So I guess I'm just wearing the jackets when I can, and I still won't roast like I'm in a sauna or whatever. An oven, yeah. Right, so I currently have on an NMD Karkar jacket from Adidas. You see the original branding right there. And the nice bit about this jacket is that it's reflective. You see the sleeve, this bit over here, these are all reflective, so when you get hit with the lights, versus no lights, yeah. If you've been subscribed long enough to my channel, you know that I fail at all these reflective 3M tests. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button down there right now. And give this video a thumbs up for my efforts, although the results might suck balls. Good I have a mature audience, I can say words like suck balls. I have a familiar yellow and white box. Now, this sneaker has been around for a few months, but I only got down to picking it up. Shout out to the guys at Adidas again. It is the Ultraboost, of course, but which one? The OG Ultraboost. You know, when the Ultraboost first came out, they weren't really big in India. You had the Pure Boost around for a while before that, and then you had the Ultraboost coming in. And I think it coincided around the same time that Kanye moved to Adidas from Nike, so he was seen sporting the Ultraboost OG, which is the purple heel cup right there. And then, safe to say, they just flew off. The differences between the OG Ultraboost and this retro reissue, I don't know, is that the original Ultraboost came with a different outsole, but this one comes with the continental rubber outsole again. That very same toe box pattern that we all fell in love with, the purple heel cup. And unlike the subsequent Ultraboosts like the 2, 3 and 4, and even the one that's come out now, the Ultraboost 19, the 2019 version, the heel area is made out of neoprene and not all knit. So the subsequent Ultraboost, the Ultraboost 2 onwards, the entire upper was proper knit, but the version 1 had neoprene at the heel. A lot like my undefeated Ultraboost actually, which also had the 1.0 pattern, but it was more of like a perforated toe pattern than just a pure knit. True to size, like on any other Ultraboost, if you have never owned an Ultraboost, and you can just walk into an Adidas store, try on an Ultraboost, and see what they fit like, and it pretty much fits the same. I was lucky to actually find this in my size. Regardless to say, the hype has probably died, nobody gives a fuck anymore. But then when you really like your sneakers, and if you're not really in it for the trend and you love them, then yeah, you still pick what you like because you're gonna rock them. There's not even much I can add to this video that I haven't already told you about the Ultraboost. So what I'm gonna do is slip these bad boys on feet to show you what they look like, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Peace.